Everything's fine. Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and, you know, I totally have it going on.
Click the notification bell so you never miss a post.
What's good, Fraanse Fam? So today I am going to review the one-step Revlon salon styling brush thingy, whatever. No, I'm just kidding. This is the one-step salon Revlon hair dryer slash styler. It's supposed to be really, really good for natural hair, African-American hair, coarse hair, you know, stuff like that. So I've only seen a few reviews on this thing. So I wanted to do one of my own. I saw a really good review and I ran to the store and bought it. It's at most $40, at least like $25, $30. So it's not really expensive. Like I said, it is by Revlon. There are 3 different settings on this little thingy. You probably can't see. So there's the, of course, off button, the cool, the low, and then the high. So we're going to try each setting on my hair and see which one does the best. So this is also ionic technology. It's supposed to be really, really good for your hair. It's supposed to like dry your hair super fast. So you don't have to worry about having heat on your hair for a long time. The bristles are covered with these little thingies, which are supposed to like correct your hair. Not corrected. I'm half tired, y'all. These things are supposed to protect your hair. It's good for detangling. I would suggest detangling your hair before you decide to comb your hair with this, because then you're going to end up breaking the damn thing and then, you know, ain't no dryer for you. So let's go ahead and try this out. My hair is pre-prepped, primped, or whatever. I did put some oil on my hair, some straightening oil. I washed it. Conditioned it, took a bath, all that kind of good stuff. So we all ready to go. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the low setting and we're gonna see the difference on each one. So let's get started. It's pretty loud. So this is working really good. It's like minimal shedding. It's not really much coming out of the brush like you would think. I guess that's due to me detangling my hair before I actually start blow drying. So the low setting to me doesn't really do much for my hair. So we're gonna, I had it on cool. So cool doesn't do anything for your hair. Actually, I had it on low. We're gonna go ahead and try. We're gonna just skip and do high, and let's see what that does for my hair. So my hair is cut into a blunt bob. So my bob is the same all around. It's like this. And you'll see once I finish blow drying it. So the section I just did, my hair is basically straight. I have another different, I actually have it here. So this one is by Hot Shot Tools, and this is the one that I usually use. But it doesn't give me the same reaction. It doesn't give me the same outcome with this as this one. This one is I guess this one is better for people with natural hair, and then this one is better for, I guess, if your hair is already straight and you don't really have to do much. This is a really good one too. But I'm like, a Revlon might be on to something, because this is amazing. And from the other reviews that I've seen, the girls really liked their blow dryer. And I thought maybe they were just doing it for a review, like, oh, they getting paid to do this, they just saying that. Like, no. This is legit. And another thing I wanted to say, this cuts out half of the work, so you don't have to worry about like really trying to blow dry your hair. It's super fast. Like, your arm doesn't hurt after you do it. You don't have to worry about holding up two arms, holding up the brush, and the blow dryer is all right here. You can comb it through like it's an actual brush. It's just easier, it's manageable, and it doesn't take long. And if you have longer hair, like, this is it for you. Like, this, girl, get you on. But my opinion so far on this brush, the highest setting, of course, will dry your hair the fastest. It does get pretty hot, but it does dry your hair quickly, so the heat isn't on your hair for a long time. It's also good for getting your roots. And I like it. I know my review ain't really detailed, but I'll get to all of that after. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish the rest of my hair, and I'll let you guys see the finished product. Y'all, do y'all see this? Oh my god. I have experienced my hair being straight, but you know how you have to run the dryer through your hair like a bunch of times and have it blasting and it's smoking and all of that? Like, no, y'all, this thing here is the whole truth, nothing but the truth. Like, this thing is legit, and it's like minimal shedding, like I said before. And let me just shut up and finish my hair, and we'll talk. So we got the first side done, and this is y'all. Man. So my hair pretty much blow dries pretty straight, being that I do straighten my hair a lot. So my hair is used to being blow dry, but this is next level, y'all. Like this is doing a really great job. I've never, like, you know how you go to the salon? Well, this is supposed to be a from the Pro collection, so it's supposed to be like salon worthy. So I mean, but you know how you go to the salon and your hair is like super done? Like you walk out, you just picture photo shoot ready or whatever. This is it. Like I'm not even BSing. Like this, it's legit. It's legit. So the cons don't outweigh the pros at all. This is really a great product. A few cons. The top of the machine does get hot. When you're blow drying your hair and you slide your hand up, you will feel that heat. So try to keep your hand down here when you're blow drying because it will burn your hand. If you see a little bit of shedding, don't worry. It's just, I mean, all hair sheds, but it really is minimal shedding. It's really not that bad at all. Like I said, detangle your hair before you decide to blow dry because, I mean, you don't want to break the bristle. What was I saying? You don't want to break the bristles on the brush. So make sure you detangle your hair because you know you don't be the one that break the damn thing. I'm trying to think of some more cons for you guys. That's really it. Also too, don't be alarmed. Like I showed you guys in the beginning, your only settings are off, cool, low, and high. The best results are with the high setting, of course. Like I said, it's not supposed to get that hot. It's not supposed to really damage your hair like that. It does. So this leads me into the pros. So it does get very, very close to your roots. You don't have to worry about your roots really being frizzy or anything like that. It does take care of that. It gets very, very close to your hair. If you are someone who doesn't like a lot of heat, doesn't like heat damage, or, you know, having to worry about too much heat, this product might not be for you. Excuse me. So yeah, so this product might not be for you. Like I said, it's very quick. It blow dries your hair very quickly if you have somewhere to get to. I would suggest if you're someone who's natural and doesn't like a lot of heat on your hair, if you do use this product, only use it for certain events like your wedding, your birthday night, like stuff like that. So your hair can be really, really, really straight. Being that it's winter time, our hair lasts longer when it is straight in the winter time. So this will be kind of a good time to try it out. But that's just my opinion. For someone like me who straightens my hair often, this product is a definitely good buy for me. It's definitely a good buy for me, and I'm looking forward to using it a lot. So I actually bought my product from Ulta. It's a little bit more expensive. You can get it on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Mine was about 44, 39 with before taxes. So it's pretty in that $40, $30 range. It's not that expensive for the kind of work that it is. When I went in store, I saw that this was the only one that they had left. I actually called before going in the store. I would suggest doing the same. They said that they had one. I thought they had multiple, but when I got there, they only had one box left. So I don't know about you, but when I shop for things and there's only one left, that makes me feel like it's a good product or that it's a hot commodity. So I would suggest trying it out. You can always take things back, especially at Ulta. If you don't like it, you just want to try it out, you want to do a review on it, you know, do your thing. Like, don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't be trying to, like, you know. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had fun shooting this video. Like I said, this is a really, really good product. It's the One Step Pro Edition Styler by Revlon. And I am very impressed. So comment below, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, if you say, Brittany, damn, like you left so much out, like we didn't even learn nothing from the damn video, let me know, comment below, and I will give you guys some tips if I happen to leave anything out. I love you guys so much. I'm going to bed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.